Here at R3 Electronics, our services offer phone repair, phone transfers, and setup. Services include screen replacement, back housing replacement, battery replacement, charge port cleanout and charge port repair, tablet repair, screen replacement, battery replacement, and charge port replacement.
Definitely come see Eileen with R3 Electronics. She is awesome. You're gonna have a great experience. Get all your stuff fixed, laptops, phones, everything else you have. Something's gonna break, come see Eileen.
Computer repair, new computer transfers and setup, tune-up, malware and virus removal, hard drive replacement, charge port issues, screen replacements, and liquid damage.
Hi, my name is Annette Bonner. I'm from Promised Land Films and Productions, and I want to encourage everyone to come to R3 if you have needs for your computer needs or download anything or whatever you need. She's got it here for you. They're friendly, they're available, and it's one of my favorite businesses to come and do business with.
Micro soldering, game system repair, HDMI replacement, charge port replacement, hard drive replacements, retimer chip replacement, and controller repair.
I'll take care of you. It's got to be the motto. It just has to be the motto. It happens exactly like she says. She says, I'll take care of you. She's never missed. We've known her for a few years and she's fixed absolutely everything for us. She did take care of us. Thank you, Eileen.
IT services, providing small business support for all of those level 1 issues you may have. Having questions on how to do something, purchase and set up computers, emails for new employees. We can remote into computers, and we also provide new program setup. And remember, at R3 Electronics, we take care of you.
$20 later, everything worked. After Willie fouled it up.
Wait a minute.
But he did. Oh, okay.
So you probably have unlimited data on your phones.
Yeah, we do.
Okay, so you can use your hotspot anywhere.
Just fix it and make it simple so I understand it.
We try to.